Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Hala and I make educational beauty videos. So I'm back again with another skincare video. Yes, so this video is about an exfoliating mask which does wonders for your hyperpigmentation, for your dark spots, for your dark circles. It is a very beautiful mask. It is all homemade. Every ingredient is found at home. Well, you have to improvise a bit but I'll let you know what you have to do. So but it's a very good mask. I can swear by it because my mom religiously applied it. That's why I can swear by it. So I think we should not wait any longer and we should just start with this mask. I will just let you know about the ingredients and everything, and then we'll go ahead with the application of the mask. So for this mask you need orange peel powder, which is easily achieved by drying orange peels. You can dry them into the sun, or you can just easily put them near the stove when you're cooking and they will dry perfectly. These are of easy peel oranges and you just need to grind them afterwards into a fine powder and store them into an airtight container for as long as you need them. For this mask you are going to need 1 tablespoon of this dried peel powder. This dried peel powder is rich in vitamin C, and then you need 1 tablespoon of yogurt. The peel powder is going to provide the glow, the brightness, and the yogurt has lactic acid, so it is going to provide the natural exfoliant. And this is how the consistency should be. Just mix it all together and don't let it sit for any extra minutes. Just apply it straightforward, otherwise it will go thick. So after about mixing it, we are not going to leave it for any time because it is going to get hard. Otherwise, this is a consistency, it will get hard because the peel soaks up a lot of liquid. So let's get going and apply it. I always dread applying masks because they're so cold. Ooh, so cold. Oops. This is a mask which I grew up with. My mom actually always applied this mask. We always used to have peels at our home, dried and grinded, and my mom used to give it to me whenever I used to go to shower, so to apply on my face. This is a very good mask. You can apply it especially before events because it has this good vitamin C in it, natural form, so it will really brighten your face up. Okay, if you're going to take a shower, as I said before, apply it on your neck as well and wherever you want to, like on your hands, on your knees, on your elbows, and yeah, you will get a very good effect. So let's apply it all. I'm also very gently applying it on my dark circles. Enough with the brush shenanigans. I'm just going in with my fingers and I'm going to apply it on my neck as well. Okay guys, so I've applied it on my neck as well with very difficulty, but it's on my neck as well now. So now I'm going to wait for like 15 minutes before washing it off, otherwise it will get too dry. I don't want it to get too dry, so let's wait 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I will go ahead and wash it. Okay guys, I am back after I washed my face after 15 minutes. I'm sorry I couldn't come to show you how the mask was looking, but it was not dry. It was still a bit wet, and I just had to run to the bathroom because of my neck, and I needed to apply it on the back as well. So you can see how nice it is looking, and my face, can you tell that it's so bright? I mean, wow, it is definitely changed, and it feels so soft. Oh my god, you can't even imagine. It's feeling so good. So now I'm going to hydrate my face. As always after a mask you have to hydrate your face. Even if the mask says that it's a lot hydrating, you have to hydrate. And I am taking my beloved Apoderm cream, which I told you has been prescribed to me. As I told you, that has been prescribed to me by the doctor, so I take that cream quite a lot. So I take that, and generously I just apply it on my face. This, sorry, I washed my hair, that's why they're in a turban kind of a thingy. Always remember your neck. How gorgeous, it's looking so plump and it's looking so bright as well. I am back after drying my hair actually. So and I just covered my dark circle. Trust me guys, I've not done anything else. I've just covered my dark circles. I've not even covered my acne marks this time. Nothing, not on my forehead, nothing. I've just covered my dark circles, and I've just done my eyebrows, and that's it. Nothing else. And look at my face, I mean, it's glowing. Oh wow, I'm just loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. You guys definitely need to try it out. You have to I forgot to mention that you have to exfoliate it lightly when you're washing it. Like, just start rubbing it and like very light pressure. It is not dry, it is not going to irritate you, it is very nice. So you just exfoliate it lightly and then wash it off. And yeah, this is it for this video guys. I will be here next Sunday with another mask. This time I'm thinking of doing something for the eyes, like dark circles and you know, wrinkles, dark circles and everything. So I will do something like for that. And yeah, I will see you next Sunday with another skincare video. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.